Welcome to PowerPoint Study YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I will show how to open or start Microsoft PowerPoint 2019 from the Start menu and by Run command. To start Microsoft PowerPoint from the Start menu, left click on the Start menu or press Windows button from the keyboard. Scroll down through the app list. Then click PowerPoint. PowerPoint starts and the study screen appears. Click blank presentation or press ESC button from the keyboard. PowerPoint window appears where the presentation name Presentation 1 and the application name PowerPoint are displayed. PowerPoint displays a slide with a title box and a subtitle box. Click the placeholder if you want to add text and type. To add animation, click the text box and click Animation tab, then select Animation. To add transition into the slide, select the slide, then click Transition tab and select transition. To slideshow, click the slideshow icon. Click the left button on the mouse for next content or animation. To end show, press ESC button from the keyboard or right click and select End Show option. To save the presentation, click the File tab to see backstage view. Click Save or Save As command and select desired location where you want to save the presentation. To save in the desktop, double click this PC and select desktop. Enter the file name in the file name box. Select file format from the drop down of the Save As type command and click Save. To close the PowerPoint window, click the Close button or press Alt button and F4 in the same time. To open the saved presentation, go to the saved presentation file and double click on it. To open Microsoft PowerPoint 2019 from the Run command, press Windows button and R in the same time. In the open box, write PowerPoint and click OK.